Good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to convert video to 4K HD in Capcut. First things first, if you do not have Capcut installed, what you want to do is head to your App Store. Then, type Capcut. Then click the application after searching for it. Download Capcut and wait for the application to install. Open your Capcut. Start a new project by clicking the plus icon above with the one that says New Project. Select a video of choice. Then, once you've added the selected video, it will bring you to a new page where you can crop the video and adjust it to your desired video length. Then, what you want to do next is press Add on the bottom right of your screen to proceed to editing. Now, you can see many selections of customization that you can add on your video. What you want to do is press the 1080p icon on the top right of your screen. After that, what you can do is adjust the video to 4K resolution by using the slider on the top of your screen. And that's it! You can now convert video to 4K HD in Capcut. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!